This is the Haarp activity prior to the Indonesian earthquake. I'm not sure how you would do the time here, as Indonesia is on a different clock than the United States, so this is showing the day before. And here's the Haiti earthquake, January 12th, 2010, and that's the Haarp activity for that date. There's the day before the Haiti earthquake. Let's go back to the Indonesia. I believe that would be the day before for Indonesia earthquake. Again, back to the Haiti earthquake. Indonesia. Indonesia. Haiti. I think they're similar patterns. If you look down at the bottom, it kind of looks similar. Okay, I'm going to go back forward. That was supposedly on the day of the earthquake, I believe. And now I'm going to go forward as for the Haiti earthquake. I'm going to try going one day more for Indonesia.